Hi everyone, my name is Saurav Asad Chaudhary. Today date is 20 November 2021 and today's topic name is static keyword in Java. In this video we will discussing about what is static keyword and use of static keyword in Java. In Java there are multiple keywords which have a specific meaning in Java. From this static keyword is one of, and static keyword is mainly used for memory management, and static can be variable, method, block and nested class, and static referred to the class and then the instance of the class. Let's discuss the static variable. If we can declare any variable as a static, then this variable is called as the static variable, and the memory of this variable is get the first memory allocation. And then let's discuss the static method. If we can make any method as a static, then this method is called as static method, and static method have a two restriction, which is we unable to make the use the unstatic data or unstatic variable in this static method, and we cannot use the this and super keyword in this method. Then the next is static block. Static block is if we can make any block as a static, then this block is called as static block, and it is basically used to initialize the variable. Then next is nested class. If we can make any nested class means or any super class subclass static, then this nested class is called as static nested class, same as the variable or method or block. Let's discuss the use of this static keyword. If we want to make the we want to call this method or variable from the main method, then we can make the object of this class and then call this variable or method from this object. But we can make any variable, method or nested class static, then we don't need to make the object of this class or variable or method. We directly call this variable by calling by the class name dot this variable or method or nested class. And we want to first memory location, then we use the we want to first memory allocation to the variable, method or nested class or block, then we use the static keyword. This is all the information about the static keyword in Java. Thank you.